Hello everyone, welcome to online video courses. I am Mohammad Sharif, lecturer in English, Nalanda Degree College, Anantapur. Welcome to the second day session of the poem Once Upon a Time by Gabriel Okara. So let us have a recap of what we have learned yesterday, that is on day 1. Once Upon a Time is a poem written by Gabriel Okara, a famous Nigerian poet. And as I told you, this is an emotional poem which illustrates or picturizes the changes a father has seen in him throughout his life due to the influence of the society. The father wishes that he could once again be an innocent as a child. The poet speaks to his son about the behavior of the people in the olden days and compares them with the behavior in the modern world. He remembers that in the olden days, people had true feelings for one another. He says they used to laugh with their hearts and eyes. And now he says, when comparing to the olden days and the modern days, but now they only laugh with their teeth while their eyes block cold eyes, search behind my shadow. Then he says they used to laugh with their hearts, but now in the modern society, the people are laughing with their teeth without any love or concern for others. He also says in the olden days, the people used to greet with a big smile that comes out from their hearts. And he also says that they used to shake hands with their hearts, but now in the modern society, everything is fake and unreal. With this, let us enter into the poem on the second and the last day. I have learned to wear many faces like dresses: home face, office face, street face, host face, cocktail face, with all their conforming smiles like a fixed portrait smile. What does it mean? Now, people are not really exhibiting their originality. They change their appearance, their behavior, their expressions basing on the situation because they are now acting. There will be an office face where the boss will be very serious always. There will be a party face where they behave as if they are enjoying the party. Maybe they have got lot of other problems, but still they behave as if they are very happy. Nobody is more happier than themselves. Okay. So on the road, when they meet somebody, they say, "Oh, hi, how nice to meet you." And a road face, maybe they are not really happy to meet you. And at home, maybe they are carrying so many tensions, but still, because at home, they try to behave as if they are very happy or as if they are very serious, things like that. So, all these they do not by their heartful feelings, but they do with the false feelings which are coming out. And I have learned to laugh with only my teeth and shake hands without my heart. I have also learned to say goodbye when I mean good riddance, to say glad to meet you without being glad, and to say it has been nice talking to you after being bored, but believe me, son, look at this. At this point, the poet says that once someone enters into the adult world, they change themselves. They are influenced by the society and Fortunately or unfortunately, they also influence the others to behave according to the society. It is something like this: because I am acting, I want somebody else also to be like me only. It's a kind of selfishness also, we can say. So he also confesses that he too has changed accordingly, and what he speaks now is not what he feels from his heart. So he is very sad about this. His feelings are something different, but for the sake of the society, he says something, he acts something. He has masked himself with the unrealistic feelings. The feelings are not real, they are false feelings. He also says that this is the impact of modern culture on other young adults who gradually forgot to laugh with their hearts and start acting acting for themselves and acting for others. Now let us see the last stanza. I want to be what I used to be when I was like you. I want to unlearn all these muting things. Most of all, I want to relearn how to laugh, for my laugh in the mirror shows only my teeth like a snake's bare fangs. So, show me, son, how to laugh. Show me how I used to laugh and smile once upon a time when I was like you. Look at the beautiful way the poet has ended. Look at the children. They are always open. So he expresses a deep desire to go back to the innocence of childhood, where they love each other. They smile with their heart. Their smiles are very honest, very authentic. So he thinks that his son's innocent smile could teach him how to express his feelings honestly. So he says finally, I want to unlearn. See, he wants to erase everything, what all he has learned from the society, and he want to relearn. He want to learn again to behave in a natural way. And he says, I want to be what I used to be. So, my son, I want to be what I used to be when I was a child like you. Look at this. He says a child always has got the natural feelings and the natural love. He won't cheat anybody. He won't hide anything. A child is always a replica of honesty and sweetness. So, that is the reason why the poet wants to be a child again, because he can laugh with his full heart and he will be true and genuine by nature. This is a great poem. When they say come again to a guest, they don't really mean it. They only say it to be polite. They actually mean not to come again and again. According to the poet, people nowadays are often interested in meeting people only if they are rich and famous. They do not respect people, those who do not have wealth or a position or status. The poet says that people behave differently at different places, like office, party, on the road, at home, etc. Not by their heartful feelings, but only with masked or false feelings. Once someone enters the adult world, they change themselves and they also influence others to change. The young adults gradually forget to laugh with their hearts. The poet expresses a deep desire to go back to the innocent childhood. He thinks that his son's innocent smile could teach him how to express his feelings honestly. He wants to unlearn what all he has learned from the society and relearn to behave in a natural way. He says, I want to be what I used to be. Thus, the poet wants to be a child again, to laugh with his heart and true and genuine in nature.